Today is March 12th, 2026, and here is the news that you can use. This is the Exchange Daily, providing the 5 minutes that secure your 24 hours. Because in this environment, guesswork isn't a strategy. Microsoft's March 2026 Patch Tuesday addresses between 77 and 93 vulnerabilities, depending on the tally from security analysts, with 8 rated critical and 2 publicly disclosed 0 days fixed in this cycle. These flaws include remote code execution in components like Windows kernel and Hyper-V, plus elevation of privilege issues that could allow attackers to gain higher access on unpatched systems. Enterprise environments running Windows Server, Office, or Azure integrated services face elevated risk if updates are delayed. Immediate patching remains non-negotiable to close these vectors before exploitation attempts rise. Deploy via WS, Intune, or automated tools and validate and test rings first to catch any compatibility issues. This release reinforces why proactive patch management directly ties to reduced breach probability. That same urgency extends to AI system reliability. NIST published NIST AI 804 on March 9th, outlining major challenges in monitoring deployed AI systems after they go live. Drawing from practitioner workshops and literature reviews, the report breaks down gaps in tracking performance drift, detecting security vulnerabilities, maintaining compliance, and evaluating broader societal impacts. Current methodologies often lack standardization, making consistent oversight difficult at scale. For organizations with production AI models, these findings highlight the need for stronger post-deployment controls to catch degradation or misuse early. Integrate the report's categories into your AI governance playbook now. Doing so builds defensible operations and positions you ahead of emerging regulatory expectations around AI accountability. The infrastructure layer that supports these monitored AI systems is evolving rapidly too. On March 11th, Equinix launched the Distributed AI Hub, a neutral framework powered by Equinix Fabric Intelligence to unify connectivity for enterprise AI ecosystems. It enables private, low-latency links to model providers, GPU clouds, data platforms, and security services across 280 data centers worldwide. Built-in integration with Palo Alto Networks adds real-time threat detection tailored to AI workloads, addressing the security and latency pain points that slow distributed deployments. Enterprises juggling multi-vendor AI strategies gain a simplified, vendor-agnostic interconnection point. Evaluate the hub against your current architecture to accelerate secure scaling. This kind of neutral hub directly supports the kind of resilient, observable AI environments NIST is urging organizations to build. Complementing that connectivity focus, NTT Data on March 11th announced NVIDIA-powered enterprise AI factories designed to deliver secure, governed, and ROI-focused AI at scale. These adaptive ecosystems combine NVIDIA GPU acceleration, high-performance networking, and AI enterprise software to manage the full lifecycle from training through inference and application deployment. Targeted at sectors like healthcare and manufacturing, the model emphasizes automation, compliance, and measurable business outcomes over experimental pilots. For leaders planning to move beyond fragmented AI projects, this standardized approach reduces operational complexity. Assess how it aligns with your roadmap and governance requirements. It provides a practical path to convert the growing volume of use cases into production value. Speaking directly to that volume challenge, ModelOp released its 2026 AI Governance Benchmark Report on March 11th, documenting an explosion in enterprise AI portfolios. 67% of surveyed organizations now handle 101 to 250 proposed use cases, with agentic and generative AI reaching production faster, often within 6 months. Yet most run fewer than 25 systems at true enterprise scale, creating a clear disconnect between activity and delivered business impact. Governance shortfalls in assurance, lifecycle controls, and cross-functional alignment remain the primary bottleneck. Leaders must act decisively to strengthen these areas before ambition outpaces capability. Benchmark your maturity against the report and prioritize fixes. Closing this gap turns AI investment from cost center to strategic advantage. That's the exchange for today. Remember, guesswork isn't a strategy. We'll see you tomorrow for the 5 minutes that secure your next 24 hours. All information is from publicly available sources. The Exchange Daily is a production of Matora Solutions LLC, a service-disabled veteran-owned small business. Every effort is made to keep details accurate as of publication time, but readers should always confirm time-sensitive items such as policy changes, budget figures, and timelines with official documents and briefings. This is not legal, investment, or technical advice. Always validate with primary sources before action. All rights reserved. Copyright Matora Solutions LLC 2026.